Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. So, students, welcome. I welcome you heartily to the Mehdi English School. Now, let's start the lecture. And you all know my name. My name is Nilofer Miss. And what is my subject? My subject is mathematics, and for the students of class 2. So, are you ready, students, to attend the lecture? And as I told you that if you have a good quote, so you can send me and I will show you your quote in the lecture, and also I will say your name. So please send me the good quote with your name. I will show you the quote in the lecture. So let's start the lecture with the quote. Here is the quote that every day is a new beginning. You have a new opportunity every day. Every day you can start a new thing. If you are just thinking about that I will start this thing tomorrow, but every day is a new beginning. No need to wait for tomorrow. If you want to start something new, so every day is a new beginning. Just don't wait for tomorrow, just start doing thing today, because every day is a new beginning. No need to wait for something for tomorrow also. Just start something today only. Just every day is a new beginning. You can begin the things in today only, because every day is a new beginning for us. So let's start the chapter number 7. We are continue the chapter number 7 here. So students, as we had complete the exercise 7a in the previous lecture, but therefore we have to revise this repeated addition, because this is the important topic for us. And if you want to completely understand this repeated addition sentence, you must learn and remember the tables. I always, from since some last lectures, I am always giving you instructions that please remember the tables. Please learn and write the tables every day. It will be helpful to you to understood this repeated addition concept. If you want to understood this concept, you must learn and remember the tables. Without tables, you are not able to understood this. So table is a necessary thing to understood the multiplication and repeated addition sentence. This is a most important thing. So I hope that you all are know the tables and remembering it. You are always writing one time tables in your rough book. So let's start now. Multiplication. What is multiplication? So multiplication is a quick way of adding group of things, as we do that how we can add group wise, and we can write down the repeated addition sentence, and also we can write down the multiplication sentence. But the main thing is that each group must have the same number of things in it. Here you can see the 4 groups are there, but if some group have 2 circle in it, and if any group have 3 circle in it, so this may be a different number. If you want to do a multiplication, so a group must contain a same number of the things in it. So here you can see there are the 4 groups, and 4 groups contains the 3 circles in it. 3 circles is the same number, so you can use the repeated addition here, and also repeated addition is a faster way to multiply the number. So this way we can use the multiplication and repeated addition also. Now here is the repeated addition. We also seen this example in the previous lecture also. Here we are counting the 4 groups. This is the 1 group, here is second, here is third, and here is the fourth. 4 groups are then, and there are 3 stars in each group. Each group contains the same number of stars. I repeat my sentence. Here there are 4 groups, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 groups, and each group contains the same number of stars in it. Let's count it. 1, 2 and 3. Here is the first group. Here is the second group. 1, 2 and 3. Here is the third group. 1, 2 and 3, and here is the fourth group which has the same number of stars in it, 1, 2 and 3. So this way we can say this is the repeated addition, because here are same numbers of stars in the each group contains. So we can just write down the repeated addition of this. This is very easy, students. You can write down through. Now here is the next example for you. Here is the 5 groups. You can see this 5 groups of 1. Each group have 1 teddies in it. You can see this. Here is the first group have 1 teddy. Second group have 1 teddy. The third group have 1 teddy. Fourth group have 1 teddy, and the fifth group have 1 teddy. You can add one number 5 times here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This 5 number, one number adding 5 times, and you can also write down 5 ones are, it means one number are adding 5 times. 5 ones are fun. So this way you have to just write down the repeated addition sentence and also a multiplication sentence. Here there are the groups of circles, 2 groups in each, 2 circles in each group. So there are 6 groups. You can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 groups of 2 circles. You can see this 2 number are adding 6 times. Here you can see this is the repeated addition sentence, that 2 number are adding 6 times. Then the next one, this also we are taking so many times this examples. Now here is the 3 groups, and each group have 5 stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can add 5 number 3 times and also write down 5 3s are 15. Both in the both sentences you will get the same answer, and the shortened way is the multiplication sentence. The next one, to count in the shortcut way, that first of all count the column, how many circles in the column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 circles in the column, and how many circles in the row? So there are 3 circles in the row, 1, 2, 3. So 6 3s are 18. Total there are 18 circles. So this is the shortcut way to count the circles. Next way, here is the 4 flower vase. So I write 4 here, and each flower vase has 3 flowers. You can see 3 flowers in each flower pot. So you can write down 4 3s are, total flowers are 12. This is the shortcut way method to just count the flowers. Next way, there are 2 groups are there. First is the blue circle and the green circles. Both are the 10 circles. Each group have 10 circles in it. So you can add a 10 number 2 times, and you can also write down 2 groups of 10 circles. You will get the same answer in the both way, 20. So this way I am explaining you can better understood this, and you can understood the concept very clearly. That's why I am repeating the examples, so you will be better understood. And if having doubt related this, it will be a clear. I am repeating again and again because you are not able to ask me a question except Saturday on the Google Meet. But here you are not able to ask me question while I am explaining. You cannot stop me and ask me, raise your hand and ask me that ma'am, I cannot understand this, just explain me again. I just try to cover your all the questions, and you can easily solve your queries regarding this if you have. So that's why I am just taking so many times these examples. So if anybody students have doubt regarding this, it will be a clear. Then the next one, this example we already taken. Here is the next example. There are the 3 groups, 1, 2 and 3. So I write 3 here, and each group has 2 stars. You can count it, 1 2, 1 2 and 1 2. So 3 2s are 6, and you can also write the repeated addition sentence, that 2 number you are adding 3 times, 2 plus 2 plus 2. This way also you can do this. Now here 2 plus 2, it means the 2 groups of socks. Here is the first group, here is the second group. You can see this 2 groups, and each group have 2 socks in it. So we can write down 2 plus 2. In the next one there are 3 groups. First group, second group and the third group. And the 3 group have 2 socks in each. 2 socks, 2 socks and 2 socks. So we are adding 2 number 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 this way. Next one, how many groups is this? Let's count. 1 group, second group, third group and here is the fourth group. So there are 4 group and there are 2 cherries in each. So we are adding 2 number 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So from the picture we are just write down the repeated addition sentence also. The next one, let's count the group first. First group, second, third, fourth and 5. So you can see there are 5 groups and each group contains the 2 cherries. So we are adding 2 number 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So this way we can write down the repeated addition sentence. The next one, here is the 2 creature you can see. First animal, first creature and the second creature. Each creature have 3 eyes. So we are adding 3 number 2 times. You can see the creature has 3 eyes. So we can add 3 number 2 times. The next one, here you can write down this way also. Here is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 groups having 2 circles in it. So we are adding 2 number 5 times and also we can write down 5 twos are. 5 groups of 2 is equal to a 10 also. You can make a group of 5 and 2 groups also, and you can also make a group of 5 each have 2 circle in it. This is the easy way to just complete these circles. Next one, here you can see this, there are how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3 and 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 groups. How many groups are there? 4 groups. The model has 24 dots with how many dots in each group? So let's count that how many dots, how many circles in each group. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So each group has 6 dots in each group. Here is also a 6 circle, here is a 6 circle and here is also a 6 circle are there. And how many groups are there? So total 4 groups with 6 circles. So 4 6 are 24 and total there are 24 dots in equal groups. Now this is your textbook activity. Here is the how many flowers are there? You can see here we overwrite this. There are 4 flowers. I overwrite this 4 number and each flower has 5 petals. You can see, you can just, I think this picture is blur, but each flower has 5 petals. So total how many petals are there? So 4 5s are 20. So there are 20 petals in all. Now here there are 2 feet. So you can see this is the 2 feet. And how many toes each feet has? So we all have 5 toes in each feet. So total how many toes in all? So total 10 toes in all. Then here is the stars. There are 6 stars and how many points each star have? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Each star have 5 points this way. So total how many points are there? So total 30 points are there. Here is the activity for you. You have to do it and you will be enjoy this. So let's start this here. Here is the 2 groups. So how many dot I have to put in the each circle? So this is the 2 groups. So I have to put 4 dots in it. So let's put 1, 2, 3 and 4. You also have to do with me into your book right now. Just take out the book, just pick the pencils and start writing with me. Just make a 2 circle this way and we are putting 4 dots this way. So first group is complete with the 4 dots in it. Let's put another 4 dots in the second group. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are putting 4 dots in the each group. Here is the 2 groups and we are putting 4 dots in it. Next, let's take it. Here is the 1 group and we have to put 7 dots in it. What we have to do? There are 1 group and we have to put 7 dots in it. So this is the first dot complete. We are making second dot, third dot, fourth, here is the fifth, here is the sixth and this is the seventh dot. So we are putting 7 dot in the 1 group. It means 1 7s are 7. Let's move to the next one. 5 ones are. So there are 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to put 1 dot in each group. So let's put 1, another group 1, in the third group also we are putting 1, fourth group we are putting 1 and in the fifth group we are putting a 1 dot. This way we have to complete this. Hope you enjoy this. The next one, 3 4s are. It means there are 3 groups. You can see here is the 3 groups 1, 2 and 3. So let's put 4 dots in each group. I hope you are understood this, that we are 3 groups are there and we are putting 4 circles, 4 dots in each group. So let's start putting in the first group 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first group is complete. We are putting 4 dots. Now let's put 4 dots, another 4 dots in the second group. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second group is also a complete with the 4 dots. So let's move to the third group and we are putting 4 dots in it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can see this. I put the 4 dots here and you can see in the 3 groups we are putting 4 dots. So 3 4s are 12. The total dots are 12. In the next one there are 4 groups. Here you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many dots we have to put? So we have to put 2 dots in each. So let's start putting in the first group. First we are putting 2 dots in the first group. 1, 2. So first group is complete. So let's move to the second group. We are putting 2 dots in the second group also. 1, 2. Second group is also a complete. So let's move to the group 3. We are putting 2 dots again in the third group. And the fourth group also we are putting 2 dots. You can see this. This way we have to put the dots. Next one, 2 groups and 0. So we are not putting nothing. 0 means nothing. So we are not putting any dots in these groups. So here 0 means nothing in this group. Now the next one, 3 2s are. It means 3 groups and we are putting 2 dots in each. So let's put 2 dots in the first group. 1, 2. You can see this. I put the 2 dots in the first group. So let's move to the second group. Here is. So we have to put 2 dots and in the third group also we are putting 2 dots. So hope you enjoy this worksheet. You like this. Now next one. Here we have to write down the answers only. 3 plus 3 because there are 2 groups of 3. That's why we are writing 3 plus 3. 3 ducks in each group. So 3 plus 3, 6. And here is also a multiplication sentence. 2 group with 3 ducks in each. So 2 3s are 6. Next let's take. Here is 4 plus 4. There are 2 groups with the 4 duck in each. So 4 plus 4, 8. This is the repeated addition sentence. And here is the multiplication sentence. So there are 2 groups and 4 duck in each group. So 2 4s are 8. This way we can write down. Here is the 1 puppy. In the 2 groups, there are 2 groups and each group have 1 puppy. So 1 plus 1, 2. This is the repeated addition sentence. And in the next one, there are 2 groups and each group contains the 1 puppy. So 2 1s are 2. Next one, here is the two groups of the 5 puppies in each. So 5 plus 5, 10. And here there are two groups and each group have 5 puppies. So 2 5s are 10. This way we can write down this. The next one, there are 2 puppies in the two groups. So 2 plus 2, 4. This is the repeated addition sentence. And here is 2 groups contains the 2 puppies. 2 2s are 4. And here is nothing. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 2 multiplied by 0 is also a 0. Now let's start the revision of exercise 7a. We also complete this exercise in the previous lecture, but therefore we take the short recap of this. Here we have to write down the multiplication sentence from the repeated addition sentence. Here is we are adding 4 number 5 times. This way this is the multiplication sentence and here is the answer. Now here number 5 is repeating 3 times. So this is the multiplication sentence. 3 5s are 15. Also the answer is written here. Next one, number 1 is repeating 7 times. So we can write down the multiplication sentence. 7 1s are 7. And we have to write down the answer here also. Next one, 3 plus 3 plus 3. It means 3 number are repeating 3 times. This is the multiplication sentence. 3 3s are 9. And we have to write down the answer here also. Then next one, 6 number is repeating 2 times. You can write down 2 6 are. And the answer is 12. Next one, 2 number is repeating 10 times. It means we are writing the multiplication sentence 10 2s are. And the answer is 20. So this way we have to complete this exercise 7a. This is your textbook exercise, students. Next one, we have to write down here the repeated addition sentence. So here number 1 is done for you. Let's start with the number 2. 7 2s are. It means we are adding 2 numbers 7 times this way. You can see this. I add 2 numbers 7 times and 2 7s are 14. Here is the answer also. Next one, we are adding 4 number 4 times. You can see this. I write the repeated addition sentence with the answer. We are adding 4 number 4 times and we also write the answer here. Next one, 2 10s are. So we are adding 10 number 2 times. This way 10 plus 10. So 2 10s are 20. We have to write down the answer also. Next one, we are adding 1 number 5 times. This way 5 1s are. It means we are adding 1 number 5 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. Next one, we are adding 3 number 4 times. This way we are adding 3 numbers 4 times and the answer is 4 3s are 12. This way we have to complete. Let's start the question number 3 of this exercise. Find the number of shapes in each row. Then complete the addition sentence and its matching multiplication sentence. From this we have to complete the repeated addition sentence and also a multiplication sentence. So first here some number is visible lightly. So let's read it first. Here is 1, 2 and 3 groups. It means we are adding 2 number 3 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2. Because there are 3 groups of 2. So we are adding 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then how many groups is this? How many column is this? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 columns. And how many rows are there? There are 2 rows. 1 and 2. So we are putting 2. 3 2s are. How many is total? 6. So this way we have to complete the addition sentence, repeated addition sentence and multiplication sentence. Let's take the next one. Here is how many in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 square in each group. And how many groups are there? 2. So we are writing 6 number 2 time. We are adding 6 number 2 time. N is equal to 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now how many column are there? So there are 2 column. Put a multiplication sign. And there are 6 rows are there. So we can write down 2 6 are 12. This way we have to complete this. Now here there are 3 groups, and how many triangles in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It means we are adding 5 number 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 15. And how many column is this? 3. So write down 3, put a multiplication sign and 5, because there are in the row there are 5 triangles are there. So 3 5s are 15. This way we have to do this, complete this. Now let's take the next number 4. There are how many groups are there? So there are 3 groups of how many circle? 1, 2 and 3. We are adding 3 number 3 times. This way 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. And how many columns in the circle? So there are 3 circles in column. So we are writing 3, put a multiplication sign, and how many in the row? So there are 3 circle in a row, 1, 2 and 3. This way. So 3 3s are 9. So this way we have to complete this textbook exercise. This is this exercise 7a. And the question 1, 2 and 3 we are completing today. You have to write down this exercise into your fair book. Now let's start something new about the multiplication. So what is the more about multiplication? What is new about the multiplication? 1 and 0 in multiplication. What is the role of 1 and 0 in the multiplication? So here you can see there are the 3 triangles are there. You can see here is the 3 triangles with 1 circle in each. 1 circle, 1 circle and 1 circle. So you can write down 1 plus 1 plus 1. We are adding 1 number 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. There are total 3 groups and each group contains the 1 circle. So we can add 1 number 3 times and answer is 3. So here 3 groups of a 1 circle each. You can see this, there are the 3 circle and 1 circle in each. So the multiplication sentence will be 3 1s are 3. We are adding 1 number 3 times. You can see this, we are adding 1 number 3 times. This way we can do this. I have some more examples for you. Here is the 3 basket with the 1 apple. You can see here is the basket and there are 1 apples in it. So we can add 1 number 3 times because there are the 3 basket and we are adding 1 apple into this. So the answer is 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And we can say this, there are 3 groups of 1 apple in each basket. 3 groups of 1 apple in each basket. So the multiplication sentence will be 3 1s are 3. It means we are adding 1 number 3 times. 3 1s are 3, and you can also write the 1 3s are 3 also. Next one, there are 4 baskets you can see with the 1 apple. There are 4 baskets with 1 tomatoes are there. 4 baskets with 1 tomato. So we are adding 1 number 4 times is equal to 4. You can see this 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So is equal to 4. 4 groups of 1 tomato in each group. 4 groups of 1 tomato. You can see this tomato in the each group. So the multiplication sentence like 4 1s are 4 because we are adding 1 number 4 times. I hope you understood this. Here is the nest with the 1 bird. You can see there are the 4 nests with the 1 bird. So we can add a number 1 4 times and we can write down the answer 4 because there are 1 bird only. And you can write down 4 groups of 1 bird in each. Here is the 4 groups of the 1 bird in each. And the multiplication sentence like 4 1s are 4. It means there are 4 groups with the 1 bird. We are adding 1 number 4 times. So I hope that you are understood what I am trying to understood you. So when you multiply any number by 1, the answer is always that number. It means here you can see this. You are multiplying with the 4. answer you will get the 4 number only. Here also you can see this. You are adding number 4, you are multiplying number 4 with the 1. You always get the number. So this way you have to, whenever you multiply any number with 1, you will get the answer that number only. So students, thank you for watching this video, this online session. So please learn all the things, remember the tables, stay home, stay safe, and thank you. Wait for my next lecture. We will meet something with the new topic. So wait for this. Bye bye.